Hello again. We're here estimating the numbers of rafters and also finding out what the length of those rafters are. So once again, I'm continuing off with this little drawing that I had here for the ceiling joist, and I'm going to go ahead and now calculate the number of rafters that I have using my on centers. As you notice, I kind of like to multiply instead of divide. So once again, here we go, 30 feet times my constant for my rafters, which are typically at every 24 inches on center, is 0.5, which is the same thing as saying half of 30, which is 15, plus 1 equals 16 rafters. Okay. Now, to figure out the length of these rafters, I'm going off of our Pythagorean theorem, our a squared b squared equals a c squared, and that's our hypotenuse. And that's the length, the theoretical length of our rafter. So typically the standard size for a slope on a roof is a 5/12. So this would be my 5 and this will be my 12. So my Pythagorean theorem, I'm writing it out, which is 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared, which is 25 plus 144 equals 169. The square root of 169 equals 13. I divide that by 12, and that's going to equal to 1.083. This is inches, and this is feet. So what I'm saying here on this 5/12, for every 12 inches I go this way, I go up 5 inches. So to figure, this is the magic number, the constant that I need to be able to figure out my theoretical lengths of my rafters. So I need to, if you see here, half of this span is my run. So my run times my constant is going to equal my theoretical length of my rafter. My run is half the distance, so 10 times 0.5 equals 5 times 1.083. So that's going to equal my theoretical length of my rafter. So the calculator here, 5 times 1.083 times 5 equals 5.415. 5.415. Which is your theoretical length of your rafter.